Good morning, students. Our today's topic is birth control. Birth control means to control the size of families by having fewer children in their families. This means family planning means to control the size of their families by having fewer children by practicing family planning through birth control measures. Family planning enables a couple to decide on the number of children it wants to have and when to have them. This means if there were number of less children in a family, then family be small. And we know that a small family is a happy family. It should be noted that having fewer children also keeps the mother is good health. So family planning is required for the wellness of nature as well as for the good health of mother. Also a small family be happy due to the another various reasons, like as fewer children will get the nutritious food, they will get balanced diet, they will get good clothes, they will get good education, while a long family, in a long family, if there were 7-8 children in a family, then this is not possible. Every children could get well education, good clothes, good food, and so on. Therefore, family planning is required for the prosperity of the family, good health of mother, as well as prosperity of the nation. Birth control can be done preventing pregnancies in females. These are called birth control methods. What are the birth control methods? The prevention of pregnancies in women by preventing fertilization is called the contraception. All the birth control method can be broadly divided into the 3 categories. These categories are barrier methods, chemical methods, and surgical methods. What are the barrier methods? Barrier method, in this method of preventing pregnancy, the physical devices such as condoms and diaphragms are used. Condom is used by males and female also can use the condoms. So there are separate condoms can be used by males either by females. These are physical devices which prevent the transportation of male gametes. Also, an important benefit in the use of condom protect a person from the sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases that are transferred through the sexual contacts, for example gonorrhea, syphilis, and AIDS. Therefore, barrier methods help in prevention of unwanted pregnancies as well as sexually transmitted disease. Another method is chemical method. In the chemical method of preventing pregnancy, the female used 2 types of pills. Pills are actually tablets, oral pills and vaginal pills. Oral pills are also called OC, oral contraceptives. The oral pills contains hormones which stop the ovaries from releasing ovum. Pills can change the hormonal level in the female body and prevent the releasing of eggs from the ovary into the oviduct. So it help in avoiding of fertilization. Another method is surgical method. Surgical method of birth control are available for males as well as for females. In males, a small portion of the sperm duct is removed by the surgical operation and both the cut ends are ligated, means tied properly. This is called vasectomy. The surgical process that is carried out in males is called the vasectomy. In females, a small portion of the oviduct is removed by surgical operation by the doctors and the cut ends are tied. This surgical procedure in female is called the tubectomy. This surgical process avoid the fertilization, and this is the permanent method. Surgical method of the birth control is permanent method. Another temporary method for birth control is used IUCD. IUCD means intrauterine contraceptive device. This is also called copper T. The use of intrauterine contraceptive device very effective in preventing the pregnancy. A copper T is placed inside the uterus by the doctor or a trained nurse. STDs, as I told you, condom avoided the STDs. So what is the STDs? Sexually transmitted diseases is called the STDs. The disease which are spread by the sexual contact with an infected person are called sexually transmitted disease. A healthy person can get STD by making sexual contact with an infected person. If a healthy person makes sexual contact with a infected person, then he or she get the disease. Common STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis. Gonorrhea and syphilis caused by bacteria. Another viral disease is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is caused by HIV. Thank you.